People are talking about myEcon, one of the most unique companies in America today. myEcon is an 18-year-old debt-free technology-driven company that has empowered its associates to generate over $600 million. myEcon markets financial education products that empower members to generate more cash flow and attain financial success. Our foundational product, the Financial Success Membership, includes income shifting strategies and financial software, which empowers associates to minimize taxes, eliminate debt, build great credit, and grow investment income.
You might be thinking, how can income shifting help me attain financial success? When you lower your taxes, eliminate your debt, improve your credit score, or build investments, you are literally shifting cash flow into your bank account. Cash flow that would have gone to the IRS, your creditors, and other investors. Think about what an additional $2,000 or more in monthly cash flow could do for your budget. You could pay off debt quickly, build investments faster, and enhance your lifestyle. myEcon associates acquire extra cash flow using the strategies in the membership and business income, referring the membership to other people.
Let's take a closer look at the financial strategies in the membership. The first strategy, correct tax withholdings, empowers employees to increase their take-home pay from their job. According to the IRS, over 100 million employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. A quick 15-minute recalculation increases the employee's take-home pay and provides the employee with extra cash flow that can be used for investing, debt, elimination, or lifestyle.
The second strategy is minimizing taxes. When someone becomes a myEcon associate, they also become a business owner. Business owners have access to many more tax deductions than employees. Those deductions can save business owners thousands of dollars. We provide each associate with our Cash Flow Manager app, which tracks income, expenses, receipts, and business miles.
Our third strategy is debt elimination. myEcon provides each associate with debt elimination software, debt elimination training, and extra cash flow to eliminate debt fast.
The fourth strategy is build great credit. Our My Credit system provides each associate educational videos and support tools to build a great credit score. Associates learn how to dispute negative credit history, how to build new credit lines, and how to maximize credit utilization, credit mix, and credit history.
Our fifth strategy, investment education, leads to investment income, which provides financial freedom. One of our most important strategies is own a piece of America. During our lifetime, we spend millions of dollars with big American companies. Shifting some of those dollars into buying stock in those companies instead of consumer goods simply makes sense.
In addition to financial strategies, myEcon offers many money-saving products and services. Our most popular product is our Zingo Travel Club, which saves customers up to 70% off travel and provides a 110% best price guarantee. The savings extended to over 1 million hotels and resorts, thousands of vacation homes, 50 rental car companies, plus flights, cruises, attractions, and excursions all over the world. The Travel Club uses the vast buying power of its 3 million members to negotiate super discounts and then pass the savings to members.
Associates increase their personal cash flow using the strategies and earn business income, referring the memberships to other people. Some associates earn extra income in their spare time, while others earn high six-figure incomes. The system and strategies are powerful. The videos explain everything, but live online and offline training is also available. myEcon associates are teachers, pastors, coaches, retirees, and entrepreneurs. myEcon is for everyone.
Every time a new member enrolls, you earn upfront weekly income and monthly residual income.
You earn up to $70 on personal enrollees and up to $13 monthly residual income on active members.
Imagine 25, 50, or even 100 new members enrolling on your team weekly. Top associates earn thousands of dollars in weekly commissions and monthly residual income.
Getting started is straightforward and inexpensive. Simply enroll in our Financial Success Membership, which includes our My Credit system, the Cash Flow Manager app, our income shifting strategies, our automated marketing system, and the opportunity to earn great affiliate income, referring the membership to other potential members. You get the entire membership for just $9.95 to start, and then $39.95 monthly. Sign up today and start increasing your cash flow immediately.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. With this program, I was able to remove $67,000 in student loans, $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 negative items from my personal credit report, totaling over $200,000.
Since being part of myEcon, I've been able to cash flow 6 figures part-time without stopping my current job. I've also been able to increase my credit score from a 520 to an 804 in less than a year. I've been able to eliminate over $190,000 of debt to this day, and I've been able to give myself a $400 a month pay raise on my job without asking the boss, utilizing the W-4 strategy.
By sharing this opportunity, it has allowed me to become a six-figure earner before the age of 40. I was also able to raise my credit score from a 400 to a 700 by using the DIY credit program. That allowed me to remove over $50,000 of my own personal debt, where it allowed me to get approved for my first home. It also allowed me to get approved for my mom's condo, and I purchased my first dream car.
I've cash flowed over $500,000 from the comfort of my home. I enjoy a 100% debt-free lifestyle. I get to travel the world first class at a discount. I've also been able to increase my credit score to over 830.
We've also cash flowed over $1.2 million. We got a credit score of 800, and we have an investment portfolio of $348,000.
Since joining myEcon, we've both been able to enter the 800 credit club, and as a result, we were able to purchase our home at a great deal, and we're doing the remodels all cash. As a result, we were also able to cash flow over $340,000, leave our corporate jobs, and create a full-time income from home. We also became investors for the very first time, and we're looking forward to helping so many other 9-to-5 employees get on track to doing the same thing or better.